amongst which are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Those words were the basis for the greatest nation in the history of the world. Today, as we sit here, the United States House deliberates passing a law that is going to mandate how you spend your money on a program that 80% of America does not want, with penalties that will include provisions for imprisonment and fine. We are on the brink of no longer being a free nation. We were founded on the premise of individual liberties protected by the Bill of Rights and economic freedom. To the degree that we continue to be taxed, that our government takes our money and tells us how to spend it, we lose that economic freedom. If we lose either one or the other, we've lost it all. We're on the brink of over 50% of people not paying taxes. When we pass that point, unless we get a rapid change in the U.S. House and the Senate and the direction our country's taking, we will lose the Republic. I'm running for the 2nd District United States House. I have 6 years in the New Hampshire House, 4 years on Ways and Means, 2 as a Deputy Majority Leader of the House. I travel the world for a profession as an airline captain. I've served as a Marine, as an FBI agent. And I would very much like to represent the 2nd District and take the fight to Congress to lead from the grassroots, not from John Boehner and kin, who have taken the country and put it where it is today. We need a revolt. Leadership starts at the bottom and not at the top. I'd like to be that person. Thank you.